Akai MPC XL Review: Why producers are ditching computers for 3D pads and 16GB standalone power. You sit down to make music, and before a single sound even plays, you're already troubleshooting. Your computer freezes mid-session, plug-in windows pile up awkwardly on your tiny screen, CPU spikes force you to bounce tracks just to squeeze in one more synth. You're stuck at your desk, clicking through endless menus, digging for parameters buried 3 layers deep. The tactile joy of making beats gets swallowed by software updates, driver conflicts, and that gut punch moment when your DAW crashes before you hit save. And here's the reality. You didn't get into music production to become an IT specialist. You wanted to create, to flow, to feel the groove under your fingers. Instead, you're managing a machine that's supposed to help you. Sound painfully familiar? This isn't just frustrating, it's quietly draining the creative energy that got you excited about music in the first place. Every session starts with hesitation, bracing for technical issues instead of diving into inspiration. That brilliant melody idea from this morning? Gone, because 20 minutes disappeared troubleshooting a plugin authorization. Your external synths sit untouched, gathering dust because routing them through your interface in DAW feels like solving a puzzle every single time. You watch other producers share their setups, hardware-based, immediate, powerful, and you wonder how they've unlocked the freedom to just create without constant software babysitting. Meanwhile, your projects stay unfinished, your hard drive fills with half-baked ideas, and that Sunday night dread creeps in, because you already know how tomorrow's session begins. Waiting, clicking, hoping nothing crashes. The gap between your vision and your reality keeps getting wider. Then everything changed when I discovered the Akai Professional MPC XL Standalone Music Production Center. This is the flagship hardware DAW serious producers have been waiting for, a complete studio brain that never needs a computer. And here's what finally worked. Pure, uninterrupted creative flow. Don't settle for just any standalone sampler. Make sure it features MPCE 3-dimensional sensing pads with 4 quadrants per pad, so your performances never feel stiff or lifeless again. The MPC XL runs on a Gen 2 8-core processor with 4 times the power of previous MPCs, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a stunning 10.1-inch touchscreen that makes editing feel natural and immediate. It's the solution for producers who want maximum power without maximum hassle. Now let's break down what this actually means for your daily workflow. The MPC XL handles up to 32 plug-in instruments and 16 audio tracks simultaneously, with 256 voices. Projects that once choked your laptop now run at just 10 to 15% CPU usage. Sound on Sound praised the redesigned one-to-one button layout, noting that many functions once buried in the system or requiring multiple steps now have dedicated controls. Music Radar called it a machine worthy of building your entire workflow around, highlighting the 16 Q-Link encoders with individual OLED displays that show parameter values instantly. No more guessing what you're controlling. One studio producer put it simply, I replaced my laptop setup with the MPC XL and it handles everything, sampling, sequencing, plugins without crashing. And when it comes to connectivity, you're fully covered. 8 outputs, 16 CV outputs, mic preamps with phantom power, and dedicated phono inputs for direct vinyl sampling. Your new reality? Walk into your studio, power on a single device, and start creating immediately. No boot delays, no updates, just music. Ready to experience how it performs? The Akai Professional MPC XL transforms your studio from a computer-dependent setup into a true creative powerhouse, where inspiration flows directly into sound. Thousands of producers around the world have already made it their centerpiece, and early reviews consistently highlight the freedom it delivers. If you're serious about elevating your production workflow without technical roadblocks, this is the moment to explore what the MPC XL can do for your music. Check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment for the best current options. your future studio setup might be simpler and far more powerful than you ever imagined.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.